If you've heard of IBS, or Irritable Bowel Syndrome, you're probably wondering, what does that mean? IBS is actually not a specific disease, but rather a collection of symptoms involving digestive function that help doctors to put a label on a condition that a lot of people are suffering with. It can include excessive diarrhea and alternating constipation. It can include a variety of digestive disorders and a reaction to various food in the intestine, and always makes the patient uncomfortable and creates a very miserable existence. The reason we can't treat it with a single medical remedy is because there isn't necessarily a single cause. Many different organ functions can cause IBS. If we look at digestion, there are at least 6 organs involved, namely the liver, the gallbladder, the pancreas, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine, not to mention other related organs. If you'd like to know more about IBS and what can truly be done about it, call us for a free consultation or visit michaelformandom.com.